this is Josh, pharmacist from pharmacisttips.com. Here today to show you the Touch Lancing device. This is the Touch Lancing device. It's the same lancing device that's included in the Touch kit. I have a separate video where we go over that with the glucose monitor and everything. This is the standalone Lancet device. I bought this on Amazon.com. I will include the link below. You receive not only the Lancet device, but you get 100 Lancets for $5.99 is what I paid for it, which is it's a really good value. You get the Lancing device plus the 100. To put that in perspective, you can buy the Lancing device from Walgreens or CVS. That's about $10.49 for those, but you don't get any Lancets with them. And the one from Walmart is similarly priced. They rely on that one. I think is about $5.84 for that. But again, no Lancets with it. So real good value to get 100 Lancets as well as the Lancing device. So right here, just look at how to use this. It has, of course, that is the button you push that is going to spring the Lancet forward to poke your finger. Here's the charging device on the end. It has a Lancet ejector there, and then the dial to select the lancing depth. So we will look at that here a little closer. Of course, you want to wash your hands with warm soapy water, thoroughly dry them. Get your test strip ready before you lance your finger. So test strip out. So seal that bottle. Put your test strip in. This is of course the Touch meter. Wait till it's prompting you. It's prompting us for a drop of blood right there. So we get a Lancet out of the box here. We twist off the top. Go ahead and put the Lancet in there and twist that off to reveal the Lancet itself. That's what's going to poke the finger. And we can replace the top. Now the depth selector is right there. Right now we're about in mid. So 1 would be for thin, delicate skin. I generally prefer somewhere in the middle, so we'll try about 5, 6 there. And 10 would be for really thick, callous skin. So we'll set that. This is the charging mechanism here. You want to charge the spring. That's going to propel our Lancet forward. So make sure that's, because when we push that Lancet device goes in and out really quick to poke the skin. So that is charged. Our hands are cleaned. Our test strip is in the machine and ready to go. So we'll just go ahead and put that generally on the side of a finger, right like that. There we go. Sometimes you can gently massage, but that's a nice size drop of blood for testing. And we go ahead and put our test strip up against that. Allow that blood to be drawn inside the strip. There's our reading. So it is pretty simple. They do sell replacement Lancets, those, so I'll include a link to those as well, but they vary from $5, $6 to about $9 depending on the size. You can get 300 of them. I saw for about $8, $9, so reasonably priced. You can also, the nice thing is most of these store brand Lancets you can get at your local pharmacy these will also fit in that lancing device. Because Lancets and all these, we'll call them generic or store brand Lancet devices, are basically, most of them are interchangeable. Then to go ahead and dispose of that Lancet, you can remove the top here. You can try jabbing that into the top of that, and it will, that way you don't accidentally poke yourself with that used Lancet. And then it has the Lancet ejector there, so wherever you dispose of those, you can push that forward. Place the lid, and then it is back ready to be used again. So pretty simple. Put in a new Lancet each time, remove the top, set, make sure your depth is set to your desired setting, charge the spring, put it in place, and push the button. So that's the Touch Lancing device and Lancets available. I've not seen them in stores. Let me know if you've seen them in store. I've only seen them on Amazon.com. Appreciate you watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.